So pinapanood ko tong last episode ng Chief Detective 1958 kung saan yung pinaka last clip niya wherein nakita natin ulit yung older version ni Detective Park Yong-han na binibisita yung mga kapwa niya detectives sa sementeryo. I feel like there's much more deeper reason bakit ganito ka-dramatic yung last scene. And upon checking, I found out na yung original cast kasi, yung original four detectives in this K-drama, yung tatlo doon, they are already gone. So for the context, etong si Ajushi, etong nagpo-portray na older Park Yong-han, siya talaga yung original na Detective Park sa original version nito na again in-aired noong 1960. So siya yun, Sol Bol-am. Siya yung original talaga na Detective Park out of all the forecasts. And yun nga, upon checking, I found out na lahat pala, itong other three detectives na kasabay niya, patay na. And I couldn't find the other information ng other cast kasi wala nang pangalan dito sa site na nakita ko. Pero yun, rest in peace sa original cast. They did so great. Kung hindi sa kanila, hindi natin mapapanood itong 2024 version ng Chief Detective. And at the same time, shoutout din sa crew for giving this kind of ending, for making sure na maalala pa rin natin kung ano yung naging legacy ng mga original cast even though they are already gone. I guarantee you, this K-drama is a masterpiece. I feel like mayroon lang siyang one season, pero it will be better kung meron pa siyang other installments. But season 1 is so good. It's very informative and very cute, very catchy, very retro. Maganda. Sobra. Must watch.